The prosecutors in this case are calling the Flint water crisis a complete failure of government at all levels. And today, 9 people were charged, all the way from the former governor all the way to the former public works director.
Nobody, no matter how powerful or well-connected, is above accountability when they commit a crime.
Michigan Solicitor General Fadwa Hammoud and Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy announced today that 9 individuals have been indicted on a total of 42 counts relating to the Flint water crisis.
Our work on this case begins with the understanding that the impact of the Flint water crisis cases and what happened in Flint will span generations and probably well beyond the way others will live our lives.
Former Governor Rick Snyder charged with 2 counts of willful neglect of duty, each a 1-year misdemeanor or a $1,000 fine. Nick Lyon, former health director of the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, he's charged with 9 counts of involuntary manslaughter, each a 15-year felony, and 1 count of willful neglect of duty. And Eden Wells, former chief medical executive of the MDHHS, was also charged with 9 counts of involuntary manslaughter and 1 count of willful neglect of duty. Additionally, Wells is charged with 2 counts of misconduct in office, each a 5-year felony. Jared Egan, the former director of communications for Governor Rick Snyder, 1 count of perjury, a 15-year felony. Gerald Ambrose, former City of Flint emergency manager, he's charged with 4 counts of misconduct in office, each a 5-year felony. And Richard Baird, former senior advisor to Governor Snyder, 1 count of perjury, 15-year felony, 1 count of misconduct in office, a 5-year felony, 1 count of obstruction of justice, and 1 count of extortion, a 20-year felony. Howard Croft, the former director of the City of Flint Department of Public Works, 2 counts of willful neglect of duty. Damell Earley, former City of Flint emergency manager, he's charged with 3 counts of misconduct in office, each a 5-year felony. And finally, Nancy Peeler with MDHHS. She's charged with 2 counts of misconduct in office, a 5-year felony, and 1 count of willful neglect of duty. This is what Hammoud had to say about these 9 defendants and their alleged actions.
Government power is not granted as a blank check. It is borrowed by those who swear an oath to faithfully discharge their duties in service of the people.
And Snyder and Lyon's attorneys both calling the charges meritless, and court cases could start as early as next week. In Flint, Rachel McCrary, WNEM TV 5.